This is a typical Hollywood vanity light. It is almost in every standard bathroom, or at least here in Florida. They're pretty ugly and cheap looking. Stick around and I'll show you how to get rid of it. Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy and this is part of my bathroom remodel series. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, before you do anything electrical in your house, go into your garage or wherever your circuit breaker is and turn off that power. Make sure you test the switch and that you absolutely have no power coming to that light. Next, unscrew the light bulbs in the fixture. Then there are these metal caps that you have to twist back and forth and they should come off. Take all of them off. Once they're all off, you should be able to take the cover off. The mounting plate is held by 2 screws. Take a screwdriver and remove those screws. Remove the wire nuts that are connecting the light fixture with your wall wires. Then pry off the mounting plate off and use a screwdriver if necessary. You should be able to lift up the plate and remove it completely. Use a putty knife or a blade to scrape off uneven surfaces and fill the mounting holes with some putty. Touch up the wall with some paint, or if you're like me who's repainting the entire bathroom, paint it with new color before installing the new light fixture. Then follow the instructions on the installation for your new light fixture and you're set. Subscribe for more and thanks for watching.